So here's the final dilemma of this MK3 Supra. We started thinking about that it was going to be something with the alarm system related, and we spent a lot of time dealing with that. For any of that, we started with the starter relay thinking the starter is not working. We ended up changing the starter, disassembling this entire right side, changing the starter, and it still didn't start. It only clicked. We changed the starter relay and it started clicking, but again, it's not starting. Later on, I found out that the voltage that it was getting is less than the voltage that the battery is giving. I did the relay mod to give it 12 volts constant voltage when it's trying to start, and that helped start it. It would start and then die immediately. It would not run for more than like a couple seconds. We used the starter fluid to help with it, and it would start it for a couple seconds and then it would die. Thought it was the alarm system, but we rewired that and we saw that it was not part of the alarm system. After several messages with this horrible seller, I've noticed that the fuel pump was kind of just chilling in the back. I then decided maybe it's time to do a replacement. I went ahead and ordered new parts, and what I did was I pulled the tank down, I dropped it, and you can't see anything down here. Essentially, I needed new straps because, yeah, I'm not buying a $300 MK3 Supra strap. So I made my own straps, I put the pump in, and I saw for the first time ever it started priming. Now, unfortunately, it started priming in a way that is not logical or ethical. That random wire you see just hanging there, that red and silver wire, that was connected to that bare area on the black and red wire, giving it almost a 12-volt pump without the key even in the ignition. So they bypassed the entire fuel system for no reason. We did some debugging with some guy in America, and he's some type of engineer. Me and him debugged it for about 1 week over countless texts. And what we did is we rewired a relay from the back of the car to the front of the car, bypassing that circuit over there and seeing if it would start. Now, we tried pretty much everything to bypass everything to see exactly what's wrong. With the test light, we found out that the open circuit relay and the EFI relay have no connection with each other from slot 2 to slot 2. We also checked in here to see if we blew anything, and our EFI did not blow. However, our main EFI relay seemed to have an issue. We replaced that EFI relay and the car starts right up. And like that, it starts like nothing. However, we do have a horrible idle because we found out that we have a head gasket leak. Typical for these Toyota Supras, and it's in American miles, so it's 173 miles there. That's also a reason why our head gasket is gone. So if we hit the gas here, it runs fine. I've driven it down the road and it's all right.